Before anything else, we have to talk about the current situation that we can't deny. The demand for AI usage is certainly increasing. We've seen news about companies like NVIDIA developing their data center infrastructure. The competition may not be that fierce, as it's mostly between global superpowers, since it requires specialized expertise and high investment to achieve high-performance processing. There's data available in all forms, from product information, marketing data, sales data, financial data, research and development data, to customer data. Nowadays, people have started using AI to generate videos, but the output is not very realistic and doesn't meet the intended goals. Sometimes it can be so frustrating that you just give up, especially when you're running out of time, and that particular shot is crucial. If it's not a full-body angled shot with a specific background and the same clothing, it becomes problematic. The face may look fine, but when it comes to clothes or fingers, the continuity is lacking. So you end up investing in software programs. The reason it can't be done is that the AI needs to be trained on thousands, even millions of images, not just 30 or 100 images that people are currently using to train their AI models to achieve accurate image generation. It's like solving 2 to 3 math problems. You can't be an expert in that topic within that chapter. Therefore, if you don't have enough funding, time, or bandwidth, I wouldn't recommend creating images or videos using AI. I'm not saying it's impossible, but as of mid-2024, you'll still need to buy production credits and spend time to get the desired output, as AI is still in development. If you do it the traditional way, the quality of the output will be better. I think the quality of the result is more important than sacrificing the storytelling experience. In my case, I won't be spending too much time on image creation. I'll focus more on the storytelling aspect, given my time constraints and the current limitations of the AI system. Even the idea of having AI tell an engaging story by itself in 2024 might result in a rather formal, emotionally disconnected output, although big companies are working on developing AI that doesn't provide harmful advice and studies chat history to avoid misuse for malicious purposes. But that might make the content boring for adults, while still being readable for young children, ultimately degrading the quality.